Disclaimer.
Alright, y'all. We got a new season. Yeah! Why? What? Like, was that necessary, dude? By the way, we didn't have no tournament last season. No, cause David Smith said the special birthday update was gonna count for the tournament. So yeah. So yeah, we might have one this season though. This season look dope. It's about superheroes. Beavis and Butthead, Toon Toon, Sahur, Stan, Captain Man. It's a lot of collabs this season. I'm hyped. It's new bosses, coins, gold, abilities. Let's play. What in the world? Are we on a plane? Oh my God, they went all out. Oh, okay, y'all, let's go to the first location. Whoa! Let's get our first kill of the season, baby. What the hell? Haha, 2 kills already? Look, Butthead. What the fuck? Why you wearing that ugly skin? Man, go Butthead, die, boy. Whoa!
Sahur.
What is this game? And what is that? New item. Oh God! Whoa! Let's see what this do. Whoever do boss battle with new coin, let's go! Oh my God, this thing is big! You just dropped the air. Just wanna win. Oh, boss ability! Man, get out of here, boy! Alright, y'all, let's go to the shop and see what's new. But I'm finna be feeling like a superhero. I did I ain't gonna lie, I'm finna use this super slush again, bro. This thing is broken, bro. I'm gonna try this new weapon. It look nice. And I'm gonna just use the boss shotgun. Yeah. Alright, y'all, everybody got what they need. In game. Aha, I'm Captain Man. Let's win this game! I'm indestructible! No, you're not, boy! Oh, yeah! Oh, boy, you know what? I got something for both of y'all! Whoa! Surprise! What the world? There we go! First game, we got it! Yeah! Hey, can we play another game though? Hey, I don't care. Shoot. Let's do it! Welcome, heroes, to the Hero Hideout. We're here to get the play! Come on, what the? Hey, I'm about to fight the boss! Oh my God! Oh, I hope that's an ability, boy! Bro, this slushy is overpowered, Lord!